going to the forest, especially for a long time. You have to be prepared for anything. I always carry a thick rope in my backpack. Some people ask why. Everything is very simple. It happens. You are in the forest. And that's when a storm or hurricane starts, and then nothing will save except the rope. As soon as they felt the danger, just immediately get attached to the tree, as tight as possible, and wait for the hurricane to end. Then you untie and calmly go about your business, whole and unharmed. Pulled too hard, can't untie the knot, but nothing in my backpack knife lies. I'll get it now. I can't reach.